Hello and welcome to this Millennial Review, where today we're going to be replacing the ink on the HP 4155E. This multifunction printer has a tricolor ink as well as a black ink that's hidden inside there, and I'm going to show you how to get it done and replaced quickly. And the first step in replacing the ink cartridges is going to be to go ahead and make sure the printer's turned on, and then just open up the door that's in front of where the paper comes out, and you'll see the two ink cartridges, your black as well as your tricolor, come and show themselves. Now to pull out, you're just going to press down and then pull back, and the ink cartridge itself is going to come out. And you can do the same thing on the color cartridge as well, and that pulls out just the same. And to install the ink, you'll need to drop down this front cover, pull this down, and that's what's going to prepare the ink cartridge carrier. So this carrier, the left-hand side is the 67 tricolor, and the right-hand side is the 67 HP black ink cartridge. So we'll start with a black cartridge. Go ahead and tear it open. Then we've got our ink cartridge. Couple of steps here. So first, let's go ahead and shake the ink cartridge. We want to do so to make sure that after sitting, it's going to be ready to be used. Then once you've done that, you've got this pull down orange tab, which covers the jet that the ink comes out of that you don't want to touch. And then that's the circuit board that connects to the printer, letting it know that you've got good quality, genuine ink. Now this printer will work with aftermarket ink if you need to. So in the future, you can purchase that. And I'll have linked down below both the black as well as the tricolor in original as well as in generic form too. So now we've got the tricolor, which will shake up just like the other one. And then pull down on this tab and uncover the ink cartridge, ready to be installed. So just like that, you'll close the door, and then you're going to hear the printer go through a few different checks. And the most important thing to notice is it's now going to show both full on color, the tricolor option, as well as on the black ink. And there you've installed the ink.